Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the basics: stable power, proper grounding, and matching the amp's rated output to your speakers so you avoid distortion or damage. Once done, clean all contacts and tighten connectors to eliminate intermittent noise. Next, set input gain to unity or slightly below so you preserve headroom. This ensures the amplifier isn't clipping before you EQ or tweak tone controls. Make sure the preamp and source levels are modest to give you room for corrections. You now move to measurement-driven tuning. Place a calibrated mic at your listening position and run pink noise sweeps to identify peaks, nulls, and low-frequency buildup. Then, dial EQ to tame strong peaks and smooth response rather than chasing a flat curve. Slight broad cuts often sound more natural. Meanwhile, check gain staging between source, preamp, and amp so no stage overloads. This preserves dynamics. Finally, refine speaker placement and crossover slopes while listening for coherency and imaging improvements. You finish by running focused A/B comparisons with familiar reference tracks, listening for clarity, bass control, and transient detail. Make small adjustments rather than big jumps. Allow the amp to stabilize thermally, confirm vents are unobstructed, and retorque speaker and power connections to prevent subtle resistance. If something still sounds wrong, isolate each stage. Disconnect sources, swap cables, and try a known good speaker to pinpoint the fault. This step-by-step isolation is the fastest way to locate hums, distortion, or dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.